The Lamborghini Espada emerged from Ferruccio Lamborghini's ambition to build the finest grand touring automobile for four adults, a car that combined comfort, performance, and dramatic design. Dissatisfied with the harshness of Ferraris as road cars, Ferruccio set out to create a refined GT that could outperform its rivals while offering true luxury. The result, unveiled in production form at the 1968 Geneva Motor Show, was the Espada. By 1973, the model had reached its most developed and complete form in the Series 3. The Espada's origins trace back to design experiments by Marcello Gandini at Bertone. Earlier concepts, such as the Marzal and the Piranha, provided the foundation for the Espada's low, wide profile, its abundant glass, and its bold geometric themes. Before settling on the final form, Lamborghini and Bertone built a prototype using the Piranha's wooden buck and components from the 400 GT. Although visually awkward, this internal prototype allowed engineers to refine suspension geometry, chassis rigidity, and packaging for four adults and a large front-mounted V12. The chassis was a semi-monocoque structure of pressed steel combined with square-section tubes, engineered for rigidity and to meet crash requirements in Europe and the United States. Independent suspension with unequal-length double wishbones, coil springs, Koni shock absorbers, and anti-roll bars gave the Espada confident handling, while Girling triple-piston disc brakes on all wheels provided strong stopping power. Airflow management inside the cabin received special attention with large NACA ducts in the aluminum hood, supplying fresh air to both front and rear passengers. Power came from the Giotto Bizzarini-designed 3.9-liter V12, equipped with 4 overhead camshafts, 6 Weber carburetors, and an oil system holding 14 liters. In the Espada Series 3, this engine delivered 350 horsepower at 7,500 revolutions per minute, making the car capable of over 150 miles per hour, remarkable for a 4-seat GT of the era. The standard Lamborghini 5-speed manual transmission was mounted longitudinally behind the engine. A Chrysler TorqueFlite automatic became available from 1974, though it was less popular due to reduced performance. The 1973 Espada belonged to the refined Series 3 generation, introduced in 1972. It featured aluminum-trimmed instrumentation grouped directly in front of the driver, improved ergonomics, and revised exterior elements, including 5-stud alloy wheels and updated lighting. Power steering and air conditioning were standard, enhancing long-distance comfort. The Espada remained the lowest 4-seater ever produced, measuring only 185 millimeters in height, yet offering generous rear seating and a large cargo area beneath its flat rear hatch. Production of the Espada ran until 1978, reaching 1,217 units, Lamborghini's longest-running and most numerous model until the Countach era. Ferruccio called it "my Rolls-Royce," acknowledging its combination of speed, refinement, and presence. Today, the Espada, especially a well-preserved 1973 Series 3 example, stands as an important chapter in Lamborghini history. It represents the company's early mastery of grand touring design, its bold experimentation, and Gandini's unique vision. As collectors increasingly appreciate 1970s Italian GTs, the Espada continues to gain recognition not only for its dramatic styling, but also for its engineering integrity and its role in defining Lamborghini's identity beyond pure supercars.